in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Trendy Mixed Brown Curly Glueless Undetectable Invisible Lace Wig. This is how the unit is looking online, and then this is how the unit looks in real life. Pretty much the same, I would say. I did wash and condition, and then I let this unit air dry overnight upside down. It is a little frizzy right now up top because I have obviously been running my fingers through her, but again, she's looking exactly like she's portrayed. The cap construction of this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are in the front on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached security band as well. When it comes to the lace, it is a slight C shape located on the left side of the unit with 6.5 inches going straight across and then 4 inches going straight back. Based off the cap construction of this unit, she's obviously a beginner friendly unit to where all I should be able to do is cut off the lace, possibly tint the lace, add my parting, style her up a little bit, and then I should be good to go. But of course, we'll find that out a little bit later. I did go in and bleach the knots on this unit just because I was bleaching other units and I had a little bit of bleach left over, but normally with this style of unit, I wouldn't do that. According to the website, this unit is said to be 150% density, and I can see that just by looking at the unit, but also by feeling her. But speaking of feeling the unit, I will say the hair seems to be a little bit on the drier side compared to most LuvMe Hair units. Also, right off the bat, I am noticing some shedding coming from this unit, so something to keep an eye out for. Let's go ahead and install this unit, and then I'll come back with more details about this unit along with my final thoughts about her as well.
At 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. My mind is
really quick, I'm gonna stop the video because this hairstyle is giving me I can't think of her name, but if you've seen the movie Good vs. Evil, I want to say it's on Netflix. I'll pop up a picture of her right here. This is what this hairstyle is making me think of. Like, okay, but let's continue.
Me in love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind is right. All these thoughts are dark on me. I need to give up my baby. I need to be on my in my mind. Running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. If you want the super defined curls that this unit is supposed to have, I would definitely recommend washing, conditioning, and then letting the unit air dry overnight, and then just not putting your hands in the hair at all. The moment you start to run your fingers through the hair, it's gonna get frizzy and it's also gonna get big, which then means you're gonna lose those defined curls. Now for me, I'm personally okay with it because I actually like it more frizzy and big than I liked it defined. Now for me, this is one of those units that needs a full beat. Like, I don't see myself just throwing this unit on and then going out the door. Like, I need some type of makeup on my face in order to wear this unit. I don't know if it's the color, I don't know if it's the cut or the length, which by the way, this is a 10-inch unit and this unit only comes in 10 inches, but I don't know, it's not giving me everything I want it to give me. Sitting here looking at the unit, it can't be the color because I like the color. Like, I like the number 2 and the number 28 that are on this unit because I'm pretty sure I also have other units from LuvMe Hair that have this color wave, but it's just, I'm not really liking it in this style. It could possibly be I don't like the combination of the three, like the color, the cut, and the style. I'm not sure. I don't know what it is. Just because I'm not feeling it doesn't necessarily mean that you guys aren't going to feel it as well, so let me move on. As I stated earlier, this unit is very beginner friendly. All I did was go in and cut off the lace. I added a part and then I put some powder foundation in the parting space just to kind of define that part. Then I also decided to go in and add a little bit of baby hair. Now, if you know me, I'm not the biggest fan of baby hair. I tried here and there. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't work out. Today I feel like it did work out, and I feel like it actually helped the unit because it gave the hairline some dimension. Had I not gone in and added that little swoop on the side, I feel like it just would have all looked either pushed back or either slicked down, which would have gave wig to me. Now if this unit was more so of a natural color, like a 1B-ish if you will, then I would have just pushed the unit back just a little bit and then left out my natural hairline. That way I wouldn't even have to worry about any baby hairs. I am wearing this unit completely glueless, so again, that's another great factor to let someone know that this is a beginner friendly unit. Currently, I have this unit tucked behind my ear a little bit and you're not seeing my natural hairline, which is a great thing. A little trick I like to do is take some of the hair from the unit or the hair that's on the hairline of the unit, why can't I talk? And I like to tuck it up underneath the unit while I'm putting it on my head. That way it can kind of camouflage, conceal that line of demarcation between my hairline and the unit's hairline. Speaking of ear tucking though, my ear is folded just a little bit, and that's because the ear tabs of the unit are basically sitting right where my ears are. I could put the unit over my ears or I could leave my ears folded a little bit. I don't know, I would say you do whichever one is more comfortable to you, but I'm saying all of this to say that I would still say that this unit is big head friendly. I would say that she's big head friendly because with this style of cap, meaning a non-frontal unit, I feel like the ear tabs always like fall right where my actual ears are, or either they fall like a little bit behind. So yeah. Also, the unit is sitting pretty comfortably on my head. Now, I do have the adjustable straps on the very last hooks on each side, but I could bring them in, I want to say about one hook to make it a little bit tighter. Now, the lace is blending flawlessly as usual when it comes to LuvMe Hair, but I will say that once all of the lace is completely cut off, there's really not a whole lot of lace to worry about blending, so that's another good factor about this unit being beginner friendly. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On LuvMe Hair, she does retail for $139.90, basically $140, but if you use my code Dotson, it should save you 25% off the entire website, which then would bring this unit down to, I want to say, $105, which is low-key a steal. The fact that this is a 100% human hair unit that's almost pretty much ready to go as soon as you take her out of the box. I mean, of course you gotta cut off the lace, but other than that, and also put your part in, but other than that, other than those two things, she's basically ready to go. I'm still going back and forth on whether I like the unit or not. It's like 1 minute I'll look in the mirror and I'm just like, oh yeah, she's giving, she's cute, but then the next minute I'll look in the mirror and I'm just like, no, she's not giving at all. A part of me thinks that if this unit was a complete 1B, she would absolutely give, like, she would eat the girls up, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But then at the same time, I'm just like, with it being this color, maybe I just need to dye the majority of the unit, the number 2 color, like this chocolatey brown color, if you will, and then leave streaks of this color in it. I feel like that would be cute too. I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts about it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.